Today we have to discuss how calculate period and frequency of simple pendulum. What do you mean by simple pendulum? Simple pendulum consists of a bob which is suspended from a rigid support and which is oscillate with amplitude decreases with time. Why amplitude decreases with time? Because as soon as pendulum start oscillating, its energy loss due to the air resistance. How to calculate period of pendulum? Initially, if pendulum are released from extreme position, this position is known as extreme position, this position is known as mean position, this position is known as extreme position. When pendulum released from extreme position, then it goes to the mean position and then extreme position to the opposite side and come back to its mean position because of restoring force, and value of restoring force is F is directly proportional to the minus x. ठीक है. How to calculate period of pendulum? What do you mean by one oscillation? When this pendulum released from here, it goes to the point, this point, and again comes to the same point. That means one oscillation will be complete. When pendulum release from extreme position, again it will comes to the extreme position. That means one oscillation will be complete. In this way, we can calculate time required for 10 oscillation, and then after divided by 10, we get the period of oscillation. For example, when we start stopwatch, when at the time of pendulum will be released. Now time will be start. 1 oscillation, 2 oscillation, 3 oscillation, 4 oscillation, 5 oscillation, 6 oscillation, 7 oscillation, 8 oscillation, 9th oscillation and 10th oscillation. Stop. Here we stop the stopwatch and we get the time interval required for 10 oscillation. For example, this time interval will be 20 seconds. Then what is the time period of this pendulum? Then time period of this pendulum is 20 divided by 10, that means 2 seconds. That means this pendulum will complete one oscillation. That means start from here, goes to here and again comes to same point, require 2 seconds. And this period of oscillation depends upon the length of pendulum only, and the reciprocal of this period of revolution is known as frequency. That means period of revolution is more, then frequency is small, and period of revolution is small, then frequency is minimum. What do you mean by frequency? Number of oscillation complete by this pendulum in 1 second or 1 minute. The time taken by particle to complete its one oscillation means period, and number of oscillation performed by the particle in unit time called as frequency. For example, when in 1 minute there are 5 oscillation, 1 oscillation, 2 oscillation, 3rd oscillation, 4th oscillation and 5th oscillation. That means the frequency of this pendulum or this simple pendulum is 5 Hz.